Let's make vision boards together on your iPad in the digital planner. I'm using Goodnotes app and I'm going to demonstrate everything using the same. So on your app, open your digital planner and I'm going to the vision board section. The digital planner I'm using will be linked in the description box below. So first of all, I'm going to go to Pinterest and you click on those three dots, download image, and this way you can save all the photos you want to use in your gallery for the vision board, and make sure that you don't use it for any other commercial purpose since these photos are not like copyright free. Also, you can use your personal photos you might have clicked or you might have on your other devices using Drive or AirDrop if you have the iOS ecosystem. Now click on the image tab and click on the screen. You will have this box appear and you can choose your photos. I prefer making an album so that it's easier for me to pick the photos. Now you can adjust your photos, rotate them, and you can place them accordingly, but you can also tap on them, have the crop option and freehand crop to shapes, or if you want like the same traditional square, you can go to rectangle and also crop your images this way, and you can start arranging and get creative. There's also another way. You can open your gallery in split screen view and open the album and then pick and drop all the photos either together or you keep on dropping and adjusting them side by side, whichever way suits you or you enjoy using. You can also tap on the image and again crop, and you can also go to arrange and select whether you'd want the image to be on top of the other one or not, and send it to back or send it to front. Now I'm using this method because I like this more, and you keep on adjusting and placing your photos. You can also have multiple different vision boards for each month, like a lot of people do. You can also have one vision board for the year. You can also have like a different vision board for different aspects of your life, like for the work, for maybe you can also use the same vision board and have like a mental division in your mind that okay, the right side is like the personal life and your personal goals, and the left side is more like financial goals or work. Dream Plan Do, basically our mantra. Dreams Digital Planners is all about dream big dreams, turn your dreams into reality by breaking them into different goals, and then breaking those goals into further steps and tasks and small tasks you can actually assign to different days. That's basically planning. When you plan ahead of time, you at least know what needs to be done and you can stop procrastinating, focus on doing things rather than worrying about what needs to be done. So we share a lot of planning tips and all digital planning related videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do hit that like button and leave your comments and share your views, what you'd want to see next. And you can also go ahead with the pen tool and doodle on your vision board to make it truly yours. Add different text pertaining to what exactly each photo means to you, and add stickers or whatever, and the vision board is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.